Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all our listeners out there. You are tuning into the English Easy Practice course. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mark. We are so glad you've joined us today. Whether you're commuting to work, doing chores, or just relaxing with a cup of coffee, we're here to help you get comfortable with English conversation.
That's right, Mark. Our goal is simple. We want to help you bridge the gap between studying English and actually speaking it. No heavy grammar books today, just real, natural flow.
Exactly. Each episode, Emma and I would dive into a common topic, speak at a clear pace, and show you how native speakers actually interact.
So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started with today's conversation. Okay, Mark, let's get into our first practice scenario. Today, we are going to a hotel. I'll be the guest, and Mark, you can be the receptionist.
Perfect. Listeners, pay attention to the polite phrases we use at the front desk. Let's begin. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Horizon Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I have a reservation under the name Emma Watson.
Let me check that for you. Yes, here it is. A deluxe suite for 3 nights.
That's correct. Does the room include breakfast?
It does. Breakfast is served in a lobby restaurant from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. May I have your ID and a credit card for the security deposit, please?
Of course. Here you go. Also, is there a password for the Wi-Fi?
Yes. It's right here on your key card folder. It's Guest 2025. You're all set. You're in room 402 on the 4th floor. The elevators are just behind you to the left. Welcome back. Now that we've checked into our hotel, Emma, I'm feeling a bit hungry. How about we go to a restaurant?
Great idea. This time, I'll be the server, the waitress, and Mark, you can be the customer.
I'm ready. Listeners, listen for how to order food and how to ask for recommendations. Let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to the Green Olive. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Do you have a table for 2 available?
Certainly. Please follow me. Here is your table near the window.
Oh, this is lovely. Could we see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Can I start you off with something to drink?
I'll just have a sparkling water with lemon, please. And what do you recommend for the main course?
Our special tonight is the grilled salmon with asparagus. It's very fresh.
That sounds delicious. I'll have the salmon, please. Oh, and could I get the dressing on the side for my salad?
Absolutely. 1 grilled salmon with dressing on the side. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
How is everything?
It was wonderful, thanks. Could we have the bill, please?
Sure thing. I'll bring that right over. Do you want to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
We've eaten our lunch, and now it's time for some quiet study time. We are heading to the library.
I love the library. It's the best place to practice English because it's so peaceful. This time, I'll be the librarian, and Emma, you are looking for some specific books.
Ready. Let's step inside. Excuse me, hi. I'm looking for the section on English language learning. Could you point me in the right direction?
Of course. Those are located in the nonfiction section on the 2nd floor. Just look for the 400 aisle in the Dewey Decimal System.
Thank you. Also, I'm interested in some modern fiction. Do you have a new arrival shelf?
We do. It's right behind you, next to the entrance. We just got some great new bestsellers in this morning.
Perfect. Oh, one more thing. I'd like to check these books out. Do I need a library card?
Yes, you do. If you don't have one, I can sign you up right now. I just need a photo ID and proof of your address.
I have my ID right here. How long can I keep the books for?
The standard borrowing period is 3 weeks. You can renew them online twice, as long as no one else has placed a hold on them.
That sounds great. And is there a fee for the Wi-Fi or for using the computers?
Not at all. It's free for all library members. Just sign in with your card number.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for your help. We've done a lot of walking today, Mark. I think it's time for a caffeine break.
I couldn't agree more. Let's head into this coffee shop. I'll play the barista, and Emma, you're the customer.
Perfect. Let's see if I can get my order exactly right.
Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, could I get a medium latte, please?
Sure thing. Would you like that hot or iced?
I'll take it iced, please.
You got it. Any particular milk preference? We have whole, skim, oat, and almond.
I'll go with oat milk, please. And could I get that to go?
Of course. Any flavors? Vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut?
No. No thanks, just the latte. Oh, actually, do you have any fresh pastries today?
We have blueberry muffins and chocolate croissants. We can warm them up for you if you like.
The chocolate croissant sounds great. Yes, please warm it up.
Coming right up. That'll be $8.50. You can tap your card right there. Can I get a name for the order?
It's Emma. Thanks.